Cambridge Primary Science. First grade. Learner's Book. Hearing sounds. 6.1 Where do sounds come from? Words to learn. Some things make a sound. There are lots of sounds here. A. Sound. Source. Voice. Listen. 8. A thing that makes a sound is called a sound source. How many sound sources can you find? Your voice is a sound source. Activity 6.1. Listening to sounds. Fadi is using his ears to listen to sounds. What can he hear? What will you hear if you do this? Try it. Close your eyes to help you listen. Where do the sounds come from? Try listening again. Do you hear anything different? What you have learnt. People, animals, and other things make sounds. A thing that makes a sound is called a sound source. 6.2 Our ears. Hearing is one of your senses. We hear sounds with our ears. Words to learn. Loud, soft, quiet. What are these people doing? What do they have on their ears? Activity 6.2. Loud and soft sounds. Ume is covering her ears. Listen to a sound. Now cover your ears with your hands. What can you hear this time? You have stopped some of the sound going into your ears. Doing this can stop loud sounds damaging your ears. Tamu is listening to quiet sounds. Listen to a sound. Now put your hands up to your ears. Does it change what you hear? Doing this helps you to hear soft sounds. What you have learnt. We hear sound when it goes into our ears. 6.3 Sounds move. Can anyone hear the man? Why not? Activity 6.3. How far do sounds go? Who can hear the sound loudly? Who can hear the sound quietly? Try this with quiet and loud sounds. Which can go further? You will need percussion instruments, a large space. We can use a megaphone to make our voices sound louder and go further. What you have learnt. Sound gets quieter as it moves away from the source. 6.4 Check your progress. 1. Which of these make sounds you can hear? 2. 3. What might happen to this girl's ears? Ben can't hear the music. What can he do? Reference. This section of the Learner's Book covers some of the new scientific inquiry skills for this stage. You should refer to these skills whenever you need them. How to find things out in science. Think of a question. Amina and Neela have planted different seeds. Which A plant will grow the fastest? I think they think about what will happen. Neela says what she thinks will happen. Talk about what to do. Amina and Neela decide to look at how tall the plants are every day. Will all grow fast? B. Find out. They use bricks to find out how tall the plants have grown. A. Show what you find out. On the last day, Amina and Neela compare the 3 brick towers. They tell the class what they have found out. Talk about what you find out. Day 6. A. B. C. Amina and Neela have found out that planter grew the fastest. They have also found out that some plants grow faster than others. Plant A grew the fastest. A. I was not right. Some plants grow faster than others.